Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet to another video. You're in Digital Marketer, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset that you know. And in this video I want to talk to you about what are the steps you need to follow to start an online business that's sustainable. Now, we're in very uncertain times. A lot of us are going to work, luckily, but some people are not. Some are lucky that they get to work from home, but some are not. And a lot of people started online business and they didn't start it the right way, and they're struggling right now. And some others, if you haven't seen the video that I just released about censorship, they're losing their businesses because YouTube or Instagram or any other social media outlet believe that they're doing something wrong, and they're just taking their credentials, they're just shutting down their accounts, and they're losing their businesses that have worked years to build. And if you want to have a bulletproof business, you have to be prepared and you have to sharpen your skills, so when something happens that they take in the carpet underneath your feet, you're prepared. Because in real life it can happen the same way. If you go and do a job and you do half-ass and you get by, if they fire you, you will freak out because you know that you don't have the skill to go somewhere else and trying to find a job. But when you know you had a skill, you're a hard worker, and you have that competitive edge that you always want to be the best, you will always get a job and you will be good at what you do. And the same thing's online. If you're, releasing videos here and there, and I gotta say I'm guilty of it right now, but that's there's a lot of things behind the scenes that are happening, and it happens to all of us, right? But we have to get past that and try to work really hard to get to where we want to get. So in these trying times, what you need to do, instead of like I read a lot of blog posts, like people are like, oh, just tell me another movie that I can watch or TV shows. No, you need to sit down and start concentrating on who am I following, what can I learn from them to move my business to the next level, and just keep working at it. Okay, so the roadmap to it is you are gonna pick the YouTube, Instagram, blog, podcast, and there's so many ways that you can start your online business, and create content that gives people information about the products. And this doesn't matter what niche you want to start. Okay, this is for any niche. The second thing you need to do is you need to go get an email autoresponder. And you have to understand that when you're not the creator of the product and you can't charge for the product, you send them to a product that somebody else created. You're the middleman in between this. And you know this about affiliate marketing. If you're brand new to it, you're the middleman. There's the product right here, there's the customer, and you're just bridging the gap. You're the bridge between the product and the customers, because you're telling them what are the benefits of the products, why do they need the product, and what can do for them to either making more money, or edit videos, or this is the best shoes you need to go run and exercise. But the problem is, once you send them to the product or service, they're the ones that will collect their information so that they can contact them later. And unless they're giving you a cookie for life, where every time that person purchases other things from that company that came from you, you will get lifetime revenue. Some of them don't do that. They only give you whatever commissions you get from that one sale. So if you collect their email before you even send it to that service, you will have an opportunity to retarget those customers with other services and products that are related to the same niche. Because you're not, obviously this is pretty common sense. If you have somebody and they come in and you're giving information about how to buy an iPhone, and then you send them an email, it's like, oh yeah, you know what, I have recliners that you can purchase. It's like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, I have an iPhone, what that has to do with the recliner? No, you will send them emails about this new attachments for the iPhones are gonna help you, speed up the charge of the phone, or this is how you can plug in your TV to your iPhone, so you don't have to, just watching the little screen, or like Chromecast. You can purchase a Chromecast that works with the iPhone, and this is how you're able to mirror your iPhone into your TV, anything like that, right? It makes sense. It makes sense. The next product that moves on, but you already have them on your email autoresponder. The next thing you need to do is, the best thing is to find a subscription-based affiliate program. And I know every niche has something. Like, for example, if people buy magazines and like to read magazines all the time, you pay a subscription to get them through the year, right? And then sometimes you get subscriptions if you want to get X amount of books, or let's think about, for example, if you look at Clickfunnels, if you want to create funnels, sell funnels, you pay $97 a month to keep that account. And depending on the X amount of customers that you get every month into the subscription-based systems, you know how much money you're gonna get every single month. So what is it worth to you? 10 customers, $500, and you get them that first month, then you know that every single month you're getting $500, okay? So that's why you need that subscription base. And if you dig, if you look up, depending on your niche, that's why you need to do your market research, you will find those services, okay? For example, if you guys go and click on that link in the description for the email autoresponder that I like and I use all the time, that's almost $15, $20 a month every single month. And if you guys upgrade, then I get more commissions. But I know once I get 10 to 15 customers, that's gonna be worth like $50, $60 a month for me in commissions. So that's why it's a subscription base, and you guys need an email autoresponder anyways. So you will keep that email autoresponder for a long, long time. And I saw this on another affiliate where he said, I signed up under this other affiliate that I saw on a blog post, and I've been using, the same email autoresponder for years and years, and this affiliate keeps getting money off of me every single month. Okay, now this is the advantage of the email autoresponder. Like I said, you can send email with more products that make sense based on the subscription base that you got people in there first. Second of all, you can send them more information. If you decide to do YouTube, Instagram, blog, or podcasts, you send them the link to, oh, listen guys, I made a video about this other service, or I made a video about more information on the subscription-based program that you purchase. So there's other type of settings that you need to change, to make it work better. Giving, good information. It's not always about sell. And Russell teaches this all the time. You gotta do a soap opera. Email. So you do maybe 3 to 5 emails, and they're like a soap opera. You're telling a story, but you are leaving them wanting to know what's gonna happen in the next email, so they're expecting that next email. And then after you're done with that, you are gonna do a Seinfeld sequence. And that's your forever email list. And if you never seen the show Seinfeld, it was based on nothing, right? It was a show about nothing. It was just like a daily occurrence of all these people, and there were 4 characters, and whatever happened, it was just a random story every episode. That was only a few that were like a soap opera, like a continuation of, but most of them were just a random story that had nothing to do with the one that was before, and it will never tie together towards the end. So your Seinfeld sequel is gonna be like, today I got up and I tried this service, and I realized that it's not that bad. And if you want to try it, there's a link in the description, or in your Instagram, your blog post, or your podcast, or any social media that you use, send them to them. But you also can tell them, by the way, this service you already purchased from me, I was playing with it and I found this other setting that you guys can use, and this actually is gonna improve the being faster, or looking better, or if you're using something like Canva, or you're using something like a video editing service, I know how to do this and that. check my video so you guys can use that for your own. So if you follow these steps for your online business, I can assure you that when times get hard, you will always have money coming in instead of trying to just paste your links, and yeah, obviously there's gonna be people that are gonna unsubscribe. It all depends on the service that you are telling people to go to, because if it's something that's very critical for their business, more times than not, they're not going to unsubscribe, because you have to think what the marketplace wants, what that subscription-based system is, or subscription-based affiliate program they need, and it's something they're gonna need every single day to improve their business, whether they have a regular business or another online business. But think about this: if you're a YouTuber, you need a video editing program. Without the video editing program, you cannot upload your videos because you can't edit your videos, and you want to take away the mistakes. And that's a program that they will need forever, because they are always going to put videos on YouTube, right? Like the email autoresponder. Every business needs an email autoresponder. It's something that I tell you in every single video. You need to collect those emails. So an email autoresponder is a no-brainer. Think about blogging. You need web hosting and a domain. Without that, you don't have a website. So if you're doing blogging and you're teaching people how to blog, they need that forever. And if they're doing podcasts, there's gotta be certain programs that you need to do for podcasts. And if you get people to subscribe to those programs, you can't do no podcast without that program. So think logically, and it doesn't matter what niche you get in, there's always subscription-based programs in fitness, in electronics. It doesn't matter what niche you get in, but you need to do is get your email autoresponder and check your subscription base. That's gonna be your foundation, a strong foundation, and then you can branch on everything else. So I hope that this helped you guys, and whatever you want to decide, go follow those that are at the top. They are doing this constantly and they're doing it great, so you guys can learn how to do it the right way. Check what affiliate programs they are promoting, so you can promote them too. So if you guys want my 1-year plan of how to start an online business, check the video at the end. It's coming in right after this. And also there's gonna be videos coming out, and as soon as possible I'm gonna release my affiliate marketing course, where we're gonna go more in depth about this, because it's very important to have a good foundation. But also there's other things too, how your business is gonna succeed, because you're not only giving information, but you're helping people get success on whatever they need to. So with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.